Tens of thousands of homes could be left without power for a week after Cyclone Kirrily tore a path of devastation through northern Queensland. The cyclone wreaked havoc on the state after it was downgraded from Category 3 to Category 2 on Thursday evening. It thrashed Ingham and Townsville, leaving more than 115,000 residents without power while electricity has been restored for a number of homes. Queensland Police said there were still 48,500 homes and businesses in the dark. Police warned multiple traffic lights are also out of action due to the severe storm damage, including at main intersections. Motorists are urged to stay off the roads this weekend, as repair work to restore traffic lights continues. Queensland Police said in a statement. The public is encouraged to stay informed and up to date with the latest emergency information via their local council disaster dashboard. Energy providers have warned it may take up to 7 days to restore the power. The Ergon Energy response teams will be headed by Chris Hooper, who said crews were still assessing the damage and will likely provide a detailed restoration plan in the next 48 hours. "I'd say days, out to about 7 days at this point in time," Mr. Hooper told the Townsville Bulletin when asked to estimate a timeline for power restoration. "There's a lot of leafage, a lot of vegetation over power lines. We will expect prolonged outages in some rural areas outside of the Townsville CBD. We will expect prolonged outages in some rural areas outside of the Townsville CBD. Flooding, rain and storm risks continue to threaten other parts of Queensland in the wake of ex-tropical cyclone Kirrily as it moves through the state's northern interior. The ex-tropical cyclone is expected to linger around towns including Cloncurry, Mount Isa, Hughendon, and Bullia over the weekend. In a video update, Bureau of Meteorology senior meteorologist Miriam Bradbury said rainfall totals may reach 70-110 mls in about 6 hours in those areas, which is quite a short period to see a lot of rain come through. So, it may very quickly lead to flash flooding that could cut off roads and access routes, turning muddy and impassable, as well as causing other problems down the line, Ms. Bradbury said. We could also see ex-tropical cyclone Kirrily starting to move westwards towards the Northern Territory, taking that risk of rain and flooding with it. Meanwhile, in the south of the state an oppressive humidity will persist over Brisbane with the sweaty maximum temperature expected to be 36 degrees. The Bureau of Meteorology said the UV will be as high as 15, with unprotected skin burning within minutes in such conditions.